Congratulations are in order to Bafana Bafana. Bafana Bafana and coach Hugo Broos continues to prove they are a perfect match, strengthening their bid for FIFA World Cup 2026 qualification with a hard-fought 2-0 victory over Benini. The win at Stade Felix Stadium in Ivory Coast keeps South Africa atop Group C with 13 points, 5 ahead of Benin and Rwanda, who are level on points. The stakes were high for Broos and his men, as victory was imperative to maintain control of their qualifying campaign. The neutral venue in Abidjan had been a happy hunting ground for South African football, with Bafana Bafana securing bronze at the recent Africa Cup of Nations and both Orlando Pirates, including Mamelodi Sundowns, ladies winning CAF Champions League titles there. However, history alone wouldn't be enough. Bafana Bafana needed a statement performance. Midfielder Teboho Mokoena was notably absent due to suspension, a situation that sparked controversy in the build-up. Having played in South Africa's 2-0 win over Lesotho, despite accumulating 2 previous yellow cards against Benin and Zimbabwe, Broos adapted to Mokwena's absence by handling Talente Mbata as start, while Batusu Obas replaced Jaden Adams in midfield. Despite these changes, Bafana Bafana initially struggled to impose themselves in the final third, even as they controlled possession. Lil Foster spearheaded the attack, but much of the attention was on Percy Tau and Lobohile Mufokeng. Tau celebrated his 50th cap, was eager to silence his critics, but despite a few promising moments, including a first-half effort that was clear off the line, he couldn't find the net. Mofokeng, the 20-year-old sensation who dazzled in the win over Lesotho, continued to impress. His pace and creativity unsettled Benin's defense, but the breakthrough remained elusive as Bafana Bafana went into halftime goalless. Hugo's halftime talk seemed to ignite his side as they returned to the pitch with renewed urgency. Obas fired an early shot that missed the target, but moments later, Foster capitalized on a pinpoint cross from Fawaz Basdin, squeezing his effort over the line to give Bafana Bafana the lead. The South Africans remained disciplined, balancing defensive solidity with attacking intent. Their patience paid off when Adams, introduced as a second-half substitute, doubled the advantage with a well-timed header from an Oswin Apollis cross, his second goal in as many matches. The victory not only strengthened Bafana Bafana's grip on their World Cup qualification hopes, but also reaffirmed Hugo's credentials as the right man for the job. Initially met with skepticism, the Belgian tactician has transformed South Africa into a team capable of grinding out results on the big stage. With every victory, Hugo's doubters are left with little choice but to acknowledge his impact. And if Bafana Bafana continue on this trajectory, the promised land of the 2026 World Cup may be well within reach. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.